Respected Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Garuki, Namaskaram. My name is Dr. Anand Govindaluri. I've been here in Singapore for the past 28 years. I'm an investor in startups. Under your dynamic vision in 2014-2015, we got space in Visakhapatnam to run Startup Accelerator. We got grants from your government and full support from your government. I thank you from the bottom of my heart because almost about 80 entrepreneurs, 80 families were supported through this Startup Accelerator. Your vision about one family, one entrepreneur is inspirational. You are a mentor of mentors. From my experience, my humble request is we should create one family, one entrepreneur, one mentor. And that mentor should be associated with every startup in Andhra Pradesh. Because, sir, in my experience, what I've seen is the Telugu entrepreneurs in Andhra Pradesh, they have courage, they have excellence, but what they lack is exposure. And that exposure can be mitigated through mentorship from Singapore. And hence, my humble request is, why don't we have a Singapore Andhra Startup Festival during the November Partnership Summit, or it should be an annual affair so that more and more Singapore startups, deep tech startups can come into Andhra Pradesh and more mentors can handhold the startup entrepreneurs. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very nice of you.
Sir, we are also, I'm also committing to make further investments in Andhra Pradesh under your guidance.
Thank you.
Thank
Very
you,
nice
sir.
of you. Very nice of you. I am requesting Mukherjee, can you comment on this? We'll have startup.
First of all, we are going to definitely make a full effort to go to Andhra Pradesh during your, the partnership summit. And we will work with Mr. Jivraj and Mr. Kartikeya to see how we can. And obviously with our Indian High Commissioner, who is very encouraging us always to do this. But then after that, if you can contact, I'll give you my card. And then if we can see how we can develop that concept.
We are ready to start startup ecosystem.
Yeah.
Always startup ecosystem we want to create. One is I am bringing entrepreneurs to lead this, especially big names, so that they can inspire, they can take it up. Knowledge partner, university, venture capital and mentors. Mentor only can do existing entrepreneur, or otherwise who is specialized in that. That is where our people are going to Silicon Valley, because there people are there to mentor them, guide them. Sometimes even failures also they won't discourage. Here, one failure everybody will discourage. Then you will be totally lost confidence. This is where we are building. I am very happy. We will create, anyway, this startup Ratan Tata Innovation Hub we are going to start immediately. After that, we will celebrate one day that innovation, how to start with mentors, everybody have meetings regularly. Yearly once we will have that also.
Sir, I have colleagues from TiE Singapore. The president of TiE Singapore is here, Prantik Majumdar. I request that TiE Singapore should play a pivotal role in mentoring startups in Andhra Pradesh. And together I will actually initiate to invite more and more mentors from Singapore to come into Andhra Pradesh under your guidance.
I will be very happy. Can you comment from TiE side?
Thank you, Dr. Anand. No, absolutely. It's a wonderful idea. In fact, the current global president of TiE is Mr. Murli, who is from Hyderabad. So I think as per your suggestion, we'll definitely take this up. Yeah, he's from Anantapur.
Yeah, he came and met me.
Yeah. So I think that's a wonderful idea because TiE is obviously a global body with presence in 66 cities around the world, including Singapore. So I think there's something for us
Now
to
you
take up.
can start immediately.
Yeah.
Then
Thank
we'll
you.
work it out. You will bring so many mentors.
Good evening. గౌరవనీయులైన చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారికి, విజిటింగ్ మినిస్టర్స్ నారాయణ గారికి, లోకేష్ గారికి, అంటే నేను కర్నూలు నుంచి, అంటే మా పేరెంట్స్ కర్నూలు అండి. సో మా భరత్ గారు కర్నూలు కాన్స్టిట్యుయెన్సీ నుంచి ఉన్నారు. నేను గత నవంబర్ నుంచి ఐ హావ్ బీన్ విజిటింగ్ కర్నూలు.
No, others has to follow, you talk in English.
Yes. So I have been visiting Kurnool. For me, regularly from Singapore to Chennai, I fly within 3 hours 15 minutes, and from there is a domestic airways by Indigo, which is taking me 30 minutes. So within 4 hours, I am reaching Kurnool, and my plan to request you is, I'm a textile professional. I want to start ante oka mahilaga as a lady. I want to go to the corridors of Orvakal and Emiganoor textile weavers chala mandi unnaru. There are so many weavers which need Gadwal sarees. The traditional sarees are so nicely done. So I want to bring the textile as a textile professional and a retail expert for 28 years. I am very much drawn by your skill development. I want to give back to my state and my place. So if how do I contribute? How do I come and as a Singaporean leaving my lucrative
Straight away,
career?
ma'am, my secretary is here, my officers are here, I am here, your ministry is here from Kurnool.
Yes.
He is the industries minister. You telephone to him, demand what all you want, you will get it done.
Yes, as a textile professional, I want to give back to the state where I
Yeah, I am
come
very
from.
happy. Now, all Telugu community has settled all over the world. Now they are doing extremely well. They want to give back to the state, either by way of starting investment or servicing everything. We welcome them. Yesterday I have seen. Originally in 1995, I came to Singapore, only few people, handsome. Today, lot of around 40,000 Telugu community are here now today.
Yes.
Largest community after Tamilians. That is how that culture is there from the beginning. But recently so many people have migrated, especially in knowledge economy. I am very happy. తప్పకుండా అమ్మ నీకేం కావాలన్నా మీ మినిస్టర్ గారు ఉన్నారు, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ డన్.
తప్పకుండా సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్. ఐ విల్ గివ్.